Working with laser scan data consists of three phases. First, you laser scan the site. Usually, you perform multiple scans from various angles. Next, you assemble the scans to a point cloud. The point cloud is exported to a POT file. There are several tools available for utilizing the POT file. You can perform measurements and animations, or you can use the point cloud as a modeling reference. Here are a few guidelines to make sure you get good scan data. There's a lot of equipment to handle, so it's a good idea to be at least 2 when scanning. When doing multiple scans, you will need to use the reference spheres to link the scans. This takes a bit of planning, but it is worth the effort and can make the difference between good or unusable scan data. Position your spheres so at least 3 or 4 are visible from each scan. Each sphere should be a maximum of 8 to 10 meters from the scanner. Spheres outside this range are too small in the scan to be recognized. If none or only one sphere is shared, the scans cannot be aligned. Moving elements will blur the scan, and glass and reflective materials will distort the scan data. If you scan in public spaces, be prepared for people asking what you're doing, and please answer politely. You should not look into the scanner when it is running. When you get back from the site, you need to align the scans and assemble them into a point cloud containing all scan points. For this, we'll use the Faro Scene software. Start by removing the memory card from the scanner and copy the FLS folders to your hard drive. Use the Scene software to import, align, and assemble the scans and export the point cloud as a POT file. The POT file contains millions of points, so exporting can take some time. When the export is complete, you can delete the FLS files if necessary. For registration purposes, you can use point tools to perform measurements directly on your point cloud. You can also clean up noise data if you want to. It's also possible to make fly-through animation. A quick search on YouTube will give you tons of video tutorials. One of the most powerful uses of point cloud data is for modeling references. The point cloud in itself does not contain any geometry, but the point cloud is so dense that the millions of points can be used for modeling reference in a 3D application. By slicing the point cloud, it is possible to get 2D representations of the scan data. This is very useful for constructing plans and sections. All you have to do is to model the geometry on top of the point data. Currently, plugins are available for Rhino, SketchUp, and AutoCAD. Please note that the Rhino plugin only works with Rhino 4 Service Release 9. The software is installed on the computers in the IT lab. Trial versions are also available from the archive.